everyone, welcome back to the WebToTech YouTube channel. Today for this video of WebToTech, I will be showing you how you can change color theme on ChatGPT application. To do that, open the ChatGPT and then get logged in into the account first. Now once you do that, you need to go and tap on the three horizontal line on the home page, tap that on left. Here you need to go to setting, tap on setting. In the setting, you need to go tap on color scheme, tap that, and here you will have two options, light and dark. So for you to change it, you just choose the option that you want. Right now the theme for the ChatGPT is light, so the setting is currently light. If you want to change it, the only option you have is dark. If you tap that, the ChatGPT theme will be turned to dark. So this is a way how you can easily change color theme on ChatGPT. ChatGPT is an AI bot that uses natural language processing to create human-like conversational dialogue, and it will provide you with all the information that you ask for the ChatGPT. Hope this tutorial was useful on how you can change color theme on ChatGPT application. Please like and subscribe the WebToTech YouTube channel. Thank you.